Don't buy laundry powder. Very few people know this trick. A friend of mine, who happens to be an expert in homemade solutions, showed me this, and today I'm sharing it with you. Once you learn this, I assure you that you will be speechless, and you'll never buy washing powder from the store again. This trick will help you make homemade laundry powder quickly and easily, using ingredients you already have at home. Here, I have some bars of soap in different colors. You can use any soap you have at home, new ones or leftover pieces. In fact, I recommend saving those small pieces left over from bath soaps instead of throwing them away, so you can give them a new purpose. Plus, it's good for the environment. Now, with the help of a knife, I'm going to slice the bars of soap completely. I have 3 bars here, but you can use whichever ones you want. This trick is perfect for anyone who wants to save money and reduce waste. It's a method that can be used anywhere, and you'll be amazed at the quality of soap powder you can produce right at home. Let me know which country you're watching from so I can send you a special shout-out next time. Today's shout-out goes to John from Canada. Thanks for tuning in. Next, we take a blender and pour in the soaps that we just sliced. If the blender gets stuck, you can give it a little help. Just keep blending until it's finely crushed. Once it's crushed, put it in a container and take it out to the sun for about 2 hours to dry completely. Although this step is optional, it helps make our soap powder even better. After it's dried, pour it into a slightly larger container so we can prepare our soap powder. Now, add 4 tablespoons of refined salt. Coarse salt won't work for this. Next, add 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix everything really well so all the ingredients are completely combined. Maybe you're wondering how this all comes together. Don't worry, the final product is coming up and you're going to love it. Take the blender again and pour in the combined ingredients. Blend everything until it's a fine powder, similar to what you buy at the store. You can stir with a spoon if needed, but be careful. Once it's well blended, put it in a container. Look at this! It turned out amazing, just like the soap powder from the supermarket, but made by you. It's an easy and efficient way to make powdered soap at home, and you can use it for cleaning or washing your clothes without any issues. No more waste, and no more buying expensive laundry detergent.